Today we are doing island hopping near Puerto Princesa. This is in Palawan. I don't have a story for you guys, but today I just want to show how it looks like doing this island. Let's jump off and see how it looks. Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3.
All my thoughts are running around inside my head. Emotions keep coming, they're keeping me from thinking straight. Thought it would be different when I got my things in place. Stuck in this commotion, how come I ain't past this yet?
Okay, we just arrived at Starfish Island. We're basically almost alone, as you can see. Like, it's empty. So they have this house in the middle of nowhere. I guess it's a viewpoint for the lifeguards, but it's very cool. We're gonna quickly put a drone footage up and see how it goes. Let's go.
Really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. Started life in the
So Mika and I was making a shot. You have to run on the beach, but I did a far run. I went all the way around and then came back. Starfish Island is actually really beautiful. We're so lucky that we're the only people here at the moment. Guys, I will do this too if I was you. Yo, I'm gonna tell you guys one thing, but it's so hot. I'm sweating like crazy. We're gonna head to our next island now. So getting back to the boat. There's the boat. So we are now at Luli Island, but what makes this island cool is what I have on here. This is the cool part. And I'm gonna jump off here now. I don't know how deep it is. There's a lot of small fishies. Let's jump off and see how it looks. Are you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Woohoo!
Really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but something stayed the same. Something stayed the same.
I just dived and that hit me in the balls. Ouch. Oh, that hurt so much.
Something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. Start a life in the country, I could say yes to that. Whatever way you want me, I'll learn it all and I'll adapt. Even if I...
Okay, so we have reached our last island. It's called Cowrie Island. Let's check if we can get some good footage here.
Me to be somebody else, another me that doesn't need your help. But if I'm honest, I don't think we got it. I try to change the things you never liked, try to make this better, make this right, but we're the same, even though I changed. Really made an effort, promised I would change, but something stayed the same. Wanted to do better, wanted to be great, but something stayed the same.
Okay guys, we are done now. Which was your favorite island?
The first one, Starfish.
I like Luli Island. Let me know in the comments which one you like the most. Cheers guys.
Something stayed the same. Something stayed the same. I can change the way I am, the way I talk, the way I stand. It doesn't really matter, cause I'll still be the same. I can change the way I am, the way I talk, the way I stand. It doesn't really matter, cause I'll still be the